Hello, my name is Adriana Salgado. Material design for a virtual environment. I choose will I'm going to. This is a class and establish the difference when make a regular class or make a virtual class. First, I start to explain the presentation. My topic is will I'm going to difference. Will I'm going to. Will is used to make a prediction. There is not evidence. Example, perhaps it will rain. It is just a prediction. Will is used employed with the action in future. Example, I will fly to England. I don't have flight ticket. Okay, when talk about going to, it's used to make a prediction if we have an evidence. Example, look at those black clouds. It's going to rain. It's an indicate a plain actions. For example, I have got a ticket. I'm going to fly to England. And now I establish the difference I'm going to and will. For example, will express a future action and decide at the moment when we speak a promise. But when talk about going to express future plan and decide before the moment of the speak. There are two examples. Okay, I've got to a headache. You have wait here and I will get an aspirin for you. Second example for going to Tom's bought a movie tickets. He's going to see a movie. Okay, and finally in this presentation establish the difference and will I'm going to. For example, I'm thirsty. I think I will buy that drink. I'm going to the mountain next week with my friends. This is first part of this subject is a presentation. Now, in the virtual or regular class, it's very important to explain about the topic with a video. Enter the first part, enter the link and prepare yourself and use the future. This activity is possible with virtual or regular class. This is an specific videos in YouTube and explain about will and going to. And now I explain other examples about the keywords when I try to make a structure to will and going to. Okay, practice. Regular class practice. Speaking one. For start the lesson, give to each student one card. Before the activity starts, write in the card a vacation destination. Students night around asking they give each student one card. On your work, students' classrooms talks and asking their classmates about vacation plans. Second activity for speaking, the student prepares 5 questions about the plan of vacation and make an interview. Each student to ask to the parent and question and repeat with right answer for 4 minutes. The third activity, in this future tense activity, students use future from will, make a decision, a discussion, and a holiday itinerary. Afterwards, the student present their plan in itinerary in the class using going to. The class is divided into groups of 3 or 4 of each group, giving a copy of worksheets the student imagined they had invited some friends and spent a week in their country. This is the second part of the class. The virtual class practice complete the exercise. And in this page, there are any interesting exercises about will and going to. Is common when I have a virtual class. The second part, work together with your classmates to prepare a lecture in Google Hangout. Talk about your vacation. It's an interesting activity. Regular class production, reading and writing. Choose one of these place, Cancun, Orlando, London, Budapest. Read about the tourist place and write a short story. If you travel with your family on vacation, and each student will write their dreams vacation. And the second part, writing. Each student writes an email to the old friend and talk with a native speaker about the plan of vacation for the next month. Okay, now the virtual class production. Work together with your classmates to prepare a video in YouTube, make an interview for a dreams of vacation. Listen and watching TV. Television can be a great tool for education. Show the short video about the countries for vacation plan and different tourist places. Then each student makes a presentation in PowerPoint for the dreams vacation plan. Okay, this is all. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you.